Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use and get free GPT-4 Plus access or 4.0 or 4.0. So please stay tuned and please subscribe and like the video for more content. Okay? So let's start with this one. So oxam.com, just log in on this one. And sometimes this is a free educational website and they give out this access on students that have their logins. For example, as you can see right here, this is CGAI. Here we have Canva Pro. Their plans are going to be right here. But basically, every month they give out different access. For example, right here, if I click on Browse Free Services, right now they have Trading View, Scribe Premium, and earlier they have GPT-4 Plus here. So basically, just log in using this emails right here. If a verification code is required, use this link. So if I click on this one, this is how it should look like. This is the code that changes every 30 seconds, meaning they have their own email. So that being said, just log in on your ChatGPT account using these credentials and you'll be good to go. That's one step. Another step for you guys is going to be this one. GetMerlinIn.com gives you access for 4.0 and actually a lot of models. 4.1, 4.0 mini, 4.0 or 3.5. I think they will be released ChatGPT Plus moving forward for this one. Next one, we also have Chat 100, where you can use 4.0, Sonnet, and DeepSeek. 4.0 is going to be right there. It's just on par with Plus. And lastly, Pieces for Developers. So just type in Pieces for Developers on Google and you're going to arrive there. Just download this third-party application and basically change your AI model to OpenAI, and you'll have access moving forward to GPT Plus. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.